Alam mo, wala akong makitang ni isang reklamo kay Luis. I love Luis a lot. Actually, mahal ko lahat ng co-stars ko. Ang gaang ng trabaho dito. Ang saya. Light lang, walang pressures masyado. But Luis, she's a delight. She's a delight on the set, in the tent. Ang sarap-sarap niya, she's very humble, she's very down to earth. Like, I think I've said this before and I'll say it again. If she keeps this up, malayo talaga mararating. Craft-wise, I've been there, yung start, and I know marami pa siyang matututunan and maa-add dun sa, sa mga achievements niya. But I know she has the right frame of mind. She's very humble. She's probably misunderstood kasi lately nagbabasa ako ng mga articles, medyo parang under fire siya for some reason. Hindi justified. Kawawa naman kung, di ba, magja-judge tayo right away, di ba? Let's not judge, lest we be judged. So, let's give her a chance. Kasi sa nakikita ko, mabuting tao siya. Magaling na actress. Galing umiyak.
Napag-usapan niyo po yung mga ganyan, like mga problems, gano'n?
One time kasi, siguro a few days ago, nababother na ako. Because I follow her on Instagram. We follow each other. So, may mga nababasa ko minsan na, bakit ganito yung comment? So, I asked her. And then she told me, some details. So, ako parang sana bago tayo, kasi it's so quick to say nasty things. And then what? We just ruined somebody else's day na hindi naman dapat kailangan. So, ang sa akin, let things, happen as they should. And then, huwag tayo masyadong quick to judge. Yun lang yun sa akin. Kasi si Luis, napakabait na tao. Take it from me, kasama ko siya halos, 3 times a week pag may taping kami.